In this video, I will show you my balloon yard decoration. So let's check it out.
"75 years later."
Yun na nga guys, I used 8 pieces na link balloon, 12 inches. Ginawa kong, I made, what do you call this? A doublet, and then, make a quad, right? I used 6 inches link balloon na red. And I used like 40 pieces. Okay? So yung una natin gagawin, ay lagay yung link balloon. Ito. Right? Then, twist. Twist it. Twist. Turn, whatever. Up. Yan. Dito. At saka kita yung mga hatakan. Sige na yun. Para saan na? Kanya-kanya lang yan.
Ito ko yung bike ko. Buli-buli. Hindi naman nagagamit ito.
Yan! 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 Ta-da! Hope you like it! Today, and if you do so, just don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell button for your notification. And I just want to give thanks sa aking mga subscribers, friends, supporters. Unang-una na po si Aling Ermelinda or Linda. and Ferdinand Miranda. And happy birthday kay Amy Miranda sa August 9. Chris Pruel na taga Laguna. Si Jason Senon ng JCTV. Team Paangat and Tropang Bikers ng Manila. Yung aking dalawang pamangkin, pakisupport na din. Meron din silang channel. Si Jewel na JC Newbie Fancier. And si Jetro, Messi Jetski. And lastly, meron po kaming bagong, meron po kaming bagong channel. I will put down the link below. It's Team Ray. Team R-A-E. Reg, AJ, and Elisa. So, it's personal vlog about family, travel, and stuff. So, pakisupport na lang din po. So, for now, that's all. Thank you for watching. See ya!